Access thousands of eBooks with QuickSearch. Enter your keywords and then use the filters to start narrowing the results. Find resource type, then select Books. You may need to click on Show More to find the heading. Next, under Availability, select the heading Full Text Online. All the results should now be eBooks. When you find an ebook, click on the Online Access link. You will be prompted to authenticate with your student number and password. The library accesses ebooks from several ebook publishers. Each publisher has different features and permissions for their collection. A quick and easy way to get to a known ebook publisher is to go to the library homepage and find the box marked Search, and then find the eBooks link. Scroll down the page to find a link to your ebook publisher for a quick way to log in.